So for number 25, it gives us a word problem a little bit. It says a certain radioactive element decays over time according to this equation. Y is equal to A times 1/2 raised to the T over 3, where A is the number of grams present initially, so that's what that is, and T is the time in years, so T is that little T up there. And it says if 6,000 grams were present initially, so remember the number of grams present initially is A, so we're going to plug that in. How many grams will remain after 9 years? So that's my T. So just plugging this in, we can get our answer. This is going to be Y is equal to 6,000 times 1/2 raised to the T, which we saw was 9 over 3. So the main thing you have to remember here that most students mess up is order of operations. So first thing we got to do is deal with parentheses. So I see, okay, I don't have anything to do inside there, so we'll skip that step. Next we do exponents, so I have 1/2 raised to the 9 over 3 power. So yes, I could do raised to the 9th power, take a third root, but that's a lot more difficult if we can at least just simplify that exponent first, which 9 over 3 is the same thing as 1/2 to the 3rd power. So using exponents now, I can do 1/2 to the 3rd power is 1 to the 3rd power. Well, that's just 1 on top. And then on the bottom, I have 2 to the 3rd power using our properties. So you can just apply it to both. So 2 to the 3rd power on the bottom is 8. Now I just have 6,000 times 1/8, so that's multiplication since we took care of our exponents. And if you remember how to multiply this fraction, it's just multiply the top, which 6,000 times 1 is 6,000, divided by 8. And so basically I'm trying to figure out what is 6,000 on top divided by 8 on the bottom. So I'll just do a little bit of long division here. That's 6,000 divided by 8. Let's see, 8 goes into 0 times. 8 goes into 67 times. Got 56. Subtract, bring down the 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So 5 times 8 is 40. We've got a remainder of 0. Then it goes in 0 times. And so we have a remainder of 0 also. So I can see automatically that this divided by this is 750. So by working that out, y is 750, which is B.